friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2001 Ford Focus. I'm going to be doing a keyless entry pad. It's going to be very simple. I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Alright, so now we're inside the vehicle. We're going to shut the door. We're going to put on our safety belt. Safety first. Now I'm going to take the key. I'm going to put it in the ignition. I'm going to turn to the run position 4 times. And then I'm going to end at the off position. I'm going to hear the horn go off. And then that's when I know I'm clear to start setting these things. So then I'll start with pressing the lock position on this one. And then the 7, 8, and 9, 0 button at the same time on this. And they should be programmed. Once I hear the audible chime for each one, I'll turn the key back to the on position, and that'll end the programming mode. So here we go. There we are. And hit lock. There we are. So now let's try it. Listen for locks. That works. Try this one. All right, so I'm just gonna do the code real quick and see if it unlocks. There we are. Perfect, works. So let's get this puppy mounted up. We've got ourselves a couple prep pads here. We decided that we want to put our keyless pad here. You can put it wherever you want, you know, whatever feels good for you. For the purpose of this video, we're just gonna put it right over here. So I'm just gonna use my prep pad, get it nice and clean. Not too bad. Just gonna wait for this to dry up, shouldn't take too long. On here, there's a couple little stickers. Just want to peel right up, just like that. Do the same thing to the other one. There we are. So we get a sticky pad there and a sticky pad there. We're going to set it where we want it. Maybe right about here. Try to get it as straight as possible. And now I'm just going to hold it on here. There we go. All right, now we can just clean up all around it. Should be good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.